kod Instagram. Nyinga Simfros Okinda. Kawachako ni jatend migawo mar arita ngire Kithure Kindiki okoni sirkal dhi chako tiyo kod yore mag masinde manyasani e puodho kalo mag mwandu e boda mag Kenya kod pinje libamba mage. Kindiki okoni apisas mag boda biro tiyo kod masinde mag yango bok mag wuoth kod menyo osike kama duong en bero lwasi mar ohala kod wuodhe. Korka koro jagoro mogirore Laktar Raymond Omolo okoni mano en okang' mabiro medo tego rang'iny mar arita kwe e boda mar Kenya.
The use of technology, in particular digital technology, is going to become crucial for future border control and management. Future border control and management is going to be driven by data. And that is why big data is irrefutably one of the key drivers of the fourth industrial revolution, and therefore in this space data is going to be crucial. If you have the data, you are able to secure your territory. If you don't have the data, it doesn't matter the hardware and the human resources that you deploy. Without data, it's going to be very difficult to secure our countries and our world. I also foresee the increasing use of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and other emerging technologies where border control and management is going to be shared between human interactions and the use of machines.